Alright, what's up you guys? It's going to be an unboxing for two packages that just came in. They're my paracord. I'm going to open this first one. This is, I think, from Paracord Planet. Yeah, it's from Paracord Planet. This is 100 feet of black, 550. And then that's a small bag. Hold on, came with the paper. Save 10% on your next order. Comes with a coupon. And just some paperwork. It's my address covering that up. Anyway, this is the second one. Really interested in this one. This is a nice one. Okay, let's see. I only got 25 feet of this, the royal blue, and then the rest I got 100 feet. I got another 100 feet of black. No, this is OD green actually. I didn't notice it was OD green. So I got black, OD green, the royal blue, 25 feet of that. I got 100 feet of everything else. 100 feet of OD green, 100 feet of black. I got 100 feet of neon yellow, and 100 feet of neon orange. So there's some more paperwork. Just to show you guys. Marked off everything that you guys don't need to know. Just a receipt, basically another one of those cutout thing, coupons. Anyway, so I'll get started on this. This is a nice paracord. Really pops. I'm gonna make one with neon yellow, and this is much softer. This is really stiff. Anyway, you can just by the sound. This doesn't make any sound, but this is really stiff. Anyway, I'm really interested in this blue. It looks really nice. I just got it to test it out, like to see the color. Looks really nice. I'm gonna cut that off. Anyway, so yeah, let's see what else doesn't come in. This like just came in like 2 minutes ago. Trash can's gone. So yeah, I'll probably end up selling them. I'll probably end up selling bracelets and stuff. I have the clips with the whistles. See that? They're straight though. Anyway, so I got a total of 425 feet. So yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye.